Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for the Affordable Care Act with HealthCare.gov step by step clearly. To start your registration process for the Affordable Care Act, visit HealthCare.gov. Once on the home page, look for the Get Coverage button. Click on it to proceed to the registration section. You will see options for signing in or creating an account. If you are a new user, select Create an Account. Fill in your email address, create a password, and provide your phone number. After completing the form, click Next to move forward. You will receive a verification email. Open your email and click the verification link provided. Return to the HealthCare.gov website to log in using the credentials you just created. Next, you will need to provide some personal information. Be prepared to enter your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Follow the prompts and click Next after each section. You will now come to the section where you can select your health plan. Review the available options and compare the coverage, costs, and provider networks. Once you have selected a plan, proceed to the application section. Here, you will confirm your selections and review the provided information. If everything looks correct, click Submit to complete your registration. You will receive a confirmation of your registration via email. Keep this email for your records, as it contains important information about your coverage. If you need assistance at any point, use the Help feature on the website. Congratulations, you are now registered for the Affordable Care Act. Enjoy the benefits of your new health coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.